Aging boxers recover 30% slower than their younger counterparts, but science just revealed a game-changing solution hiding in plain sight. As fighters hit their 30s and beyond, their muscles struggle to bounce back after intense training sessions, threatening both performance and gains. Studies demonstrate that strategic cold water immersion dramatically shifts this trajectory. When aging boxers submerge themselves in ice baths for 10-15 minutes immediately post-training, inflammation markers drop by up to 40%. The cold therapy constricts blood vessels, flushing out metabolic waste that accumulates during punishing workouts. As the body rewarms, fresh oxygen-rich blood floods the muscles, accelerating repair and supporting new tissue growth. Elite boxing coaches now integrate this protocol 3 to 4 times weekly, observing fighters maintain muscle mass and recover faster despite advancing age. The combination of reduced inflammation, enhanced circulation, and optimized protein synthesis creates the perfect storm for continued athletic development. Could 15 minutes in ice water be the difference between declining performance and career longevity?